Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay. In previous classes, we learned numbers. Okay, numeration and notation. We learned about numbers. What is the face value of number and number name, numbers, number, how to write number name, how to write number. Next, expanded form, short form. In first unit, we learned these are all. Okay, short form, expanded form. Next, ascending order, descending order, before numbers, after numbers, and greater than, less than. These are all topics we learned in first unit. Okay, first unit, numeration and notation. Next, we know very well numbers. Okay, yes, we know very well numbers. In our country, like Tamil and Telugu, Kannada, Marathi, Hindi, Urdu, these like regions are there. Okay, regions are there. So for that regions, some numbers also have. Okay, different numbers are using. We learn today. Topic is regional and Roman numerals. Okay, regional and Roman numerals. Today's topic is regional and Roman numerals. Regional and Roman numerals. Okay, first, regional numerals. Regional numerals. Regional numerals. Today we learn regional numerals. Okay, regional, so many regionals are there. Regional, different regions in our country. First, we know very well numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are all single digit numbers, one digit numbers. Okay. See children, in your textbook, second unit, regional and Roman numerals. First one, regional numerals. Regional numerals. Numerals means numbers. Okay, regional means numbers. So first, okay, those who have textbooks, open your textbook and see. Or we will send one screenshot also. See children. See here, regional numerals. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't draw the lines, children. Don't draw the line on your screen. Don't draw the line. Okay. So see children. Again drawing. Kalluri Yashwant. Don't draw. Sham Charan. Don't touch your mobile. Don't touch first. Just in front of you, you keep and listen. Don't touch. First row, you have numbers. See children. First row, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are all single digit numbers. Okay, these are all single digit numbers. Next here, Telugu. First. First row is Telugu numerals. Okay, first row is First row is Telugu numerals. Telugu numerals. Like first one is 0. Don't draw, children. If you draw, that is removing here. So you don't draw, children. Just you observe what I am saying, observe and listen. Okay, first row is 0 to 9, 10 numerals are there. The 10 numerals are called Hindu Arabic numbers. Hindu Arabic numbers. Next, Telugu numerals. Here, first, second row is there. See once, Telugu numerals. These are all Telugu numerals. 0 to 9. From 0 to 9, first row, Telugu numerals. Next, second row is Tamil numerals. Tamil numerals. Next, third one is Kannada numerals. Kannada numerals. Next row is Kannada numerals. Next row is Marathi numerals. Okay, next row is Marathi numerals. Next row is Bengali numerals. Next row is Bengali numerals. Next one is Hindi numerals. Here Hindi numerals also have C ones. Hindi numerals. Next, last one is Urdu numerals. Urdu numerals from 0 to 9. Okay, first Telugu. Second one is Tamil. Third one is Kannada. Fourth one is Marathi. Next, fifth one is Bengali. Sixth one is Hindi. Next, seventh one is Urdu. Okay, Telugu numerals and Tamil numerals and Kannada numerals and Marathi numerals and Bengali and Hindi and Urdu numerals are there in this screen. You observe carefully. Afterwards, we will send pic. Okay, you write that one afterwards. Not now, just you see. You observe that numerals. First row 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are called Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay, these are called Hindu Arabic numerals. Next, these are all Telugu numerals. 0 in Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Marathi, Bengali, Hindi, Urdu. These are all 0 asterisk is there. See once 0 asterisk is there. Remaining numerals are changed. Okay, once you observe carefully. Okay, did you observe, children? Okay. Next one. You observed already regional numerals. Okay, you observed already regional numerals. From that chart, now how to write numbers? Okay, how to write numbers? How to write numbers? Now I will explain. Listen, children. Okay, first. For example, 3524. Okay, 3524. 3524. How to write? 3524. Okay, 3524. This is one number. This number is Hindu Arabic number. Okay, this number is Hindu Arabic number. First, from with single digit numbers, with one digit numbers, we can write more than numbers. Okay, one number or more than numbers we will write. Okay, next, this number is Hindu Arabic number. We can write in Telugu numbers, Telugu numerals and Hindi numerals, Urdu numerals, Kannada numerals. Okay, we can write in these numerals. Okay, how to write Telugu numeral? For this number, Telugu numeral. Telugu numeral. How can we write Telugu numeral? 3. 3 here belongs to C here. Your textbook, those who have textbook C, observe Telugu numeral. 3 is this line. Okay, 3 is this line. Next, 5. Okay, 5. 5 is 1. Next 2. 2 is this one. Next 4. 4 is this one. Okay. This one is Telugu numeral. Telugu numeral. 3524. 3524. 3524 in Telugu numeral. How to write in Telugu numeral? Yes. This one. Okay. Next, same number. Now I am writing Hindi numeral. Same number. I am writing in Hindi numeral. Hindi numeral. Same. 3524. How to write it? Hindi numeral. Hindi numeral. Last row. From last row to second row. See children. Sixth row. Hindi numerals are there. In sixth one, Hindi numerals are there. See. How can we write? 3. Next 5. 5 is 3,524. 3,524. This is Hindi numeral. Okay, this number is Hindi numeral. Next, I am going to say one more number. I am taking 9,071. Okay, 9,071. 9,071 number is Hindu Arabic number. 9,071 is Hindu Arabic number. This Hindu Arabic number, write in Kannada numeral. Write in Kannada numeral. Kannada numeral. How can we write in Kannada numeral? Here is there. In your textbook, Kannada numerals are there. See once here. Kannada numerals. In your textbook, Kannada numerals. Third row. Telugu, Tamil, Kannada. Kannada numerals are there. See, Kannada numerals. 9. How is there 9? 9. 0. 0. All zeros only. Okay. In any regional, Tamil, Telugu, next Kannada, Marathi, Urdu, next Hindi, Bengali also, 0 is always 0, like 0 only. Next, 9,071, 70, 7. 7 in Kannada numeral, how it is there once you see. 71. 1 in Kannada numeral is this. Okay. Okay, children. This is Kannada numeral. 9,071. How can we write in Kannada numeral? This way. 9,071. This numeral is called Kannada numeral. Next, same. For this number only, we have to write it Bengali numeral. Bengali numeral. How can we write in Bengali numeral? In Bengali numeral, 9. 9, 0, 9,071, 7. 7, 1. Okay. 9071. 9071. This number is written in Bengali numeral. Okay, this is Bengali numeral 9071. Next, I am taking one more number. Okay, I am taking one more number. Six thousand 834. 6,834. This number is Hebrew number. We have to write in Tamil numeral. Okay? Write in Tamil numeral. How can we write Tamil numeral? Tamil numeral. In Tamil numeral 6. This number is 6 in Tamil numeral. Okay, this number is 6 in Tamil numeral. 6,808. 834. Okay, 4. Okay, see children, some Tamil numerals are some hard have see answer. This number is 6. This number is 8. This number is 3. This number is 4. Okay, these are digits. 4-digit number. This number is 4-digit number. 6,834. 6,834. This is Tamil numeral. This number is Tamil numeral. We can write in Tamil numeral 6,834. Okay, write this number in Marathi. Marathi numeral. Marathi numeral. Okay, how can we write in Marathi numeral? I'm writing. You observe and write to me. First, 6. 6,834. 6,834. This numeral is called Marathi numeral. Okay, Marathi numeral. Okay, write the number name also. 3,000. 500. 524. 524. Next, 9,000. 9,071. 9,071. Next, 6,000 6,834 834. Okay. This is regional numerals. Okay, next one more Urdu numeral. Six thousand four hundred and thirty. 6,430. Okay, 6,430 Urdu numeral. How can we write in Urdu numeral? 6. 6,400. 430. 430. Okay, see children here. Urdu numeral. How can we write in Urdu numeral? 6,430. 6,430. Next, 3,524. We write it Telugu numeral and Hindi numeral. Okay, here is written Telugu numeral and Hindi numeral. Next, 9,071. We written in Kannada numeral and Bengali numeral. Next, this number 6,834. 6,834 Hindu Arabic number. These numbers are Hindu Arabic numbers. These numbers we written in here Tamil numeral and Marathi numeral. Okay, these are regional numerals. These are regional numerals. Okay, in your textbook have see once regional numerals. Regional. These are all regional numerals. Telugu numerals and Tamil numerals, Kannada numerals and Marathi numerals, Bengali numerals and Hindi numerals and Urdu numerals are there. Okay, Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Marathi, Bengali, Hindi and Urdu. These are all numerals from 0 to 9. From 0 to 9. From 0 to 9 numerals are there. Okay, from 0 to 9, 10 numerals are given. From that numerals, we can write so many numbers. More than number, one number and more than write. More than we can write so many numbers. Okay, 4-digit number like 4-digit number, 3-digit number, 2-digit number, 1-digit number. And more than we can write any number. We can write any number with the digits. Okay, the digits are given. Those digits are given in Telugu and Urdu and Kannada and Bengali and Hindi and Marathi and Tamil. Okay, given. From these numerals we can write it Telugu numeral and Hindi numeral, Kannada numeral and Bengali numeral and Tamil numeral and Marathi numeral and Urdu numeral also we can write. Okay, these numerals are called regional numerals. These numerals are called regional numerals. Okay, write down children. Write down children. Write in your notebook. Write neatly. Okay, write neatly children. సార్ దాన్ని ఇంకా కొంచెం చిన్నగా చేయొచ్చు దాన్ని పైన నేమ్ రాకుండా పంపిస్తాను. Students. Okay, once again I am showing. See children here. Regional numerals. Okay, see. Once you already written what I written on board, already you written. Those once you see here. Okay, from 0 to 9 in Telugu numerals and Tamil numerals and Kannada numerals and Marathi, Bengali and Hindi and Urdu numerals are there. Okay, once you see here, I what I written on board also you write down, children. Okay, don't draw the lines, children. Why are drawing lines? Okay, write down, children. Okay, these are called regional numerals. Okay, I hope you understand today's session. Today's class, regional numbers and numerals. Okay. Tomorrow I will explain Roman numerals, Roman numbers. Okay. Right answer.